Good evening, everyone. I'm Ruchika. Today, organizations are rapidly deploying AI agents across engineering, support, finance, and operation teams. The problem is not building agents anymore. The real problem is trust. When an AI agent makes recommendations, opens a ticket, modifies code, or interacts with internal systems, most organizations have no clear way to understand whether that AI is creating value, degrading performance, or introducing hidden risk. But presenting CORAXL. So CORAXL was built to solve exactly that challenge. It is an AI agent governance and observability platform powered by Coral SQL. It helps organizations monitor autonomous agents, detect behavioral drift, measure operational risk, and understand business impact from a single governance layer. Right now, see, the platform has not executed any audit. As you can see, there is no health score, no risk assessment, no operational recommendation available yet. So when I click this is run a ripe analysis. So when I click run Pura analysis or run live audit, CORAXL executes governance queries against agent telemetry data. So the backend evaluates agent activity, calculates risk metrics, identify anomalies, and generates operational insights. The goal is simple: turn raw agent activity into actionable governance intelligence. Now the audit is complete. We can immediately see the overall fit score, that is 48 out of 100. We can see how many agents were being analyzed and identify which agents require attention. Instead of manually reviewing logs and telemetry, CORAXL provides a consolidated governance view that helps teams understand the current health of their AI ecosystem. So moving into agent section, every monitor agent receives its own risk profile. This allows engineering and operation teams to identify unhealthy behavior before it becomes a production issue. So rather than reacting after something breaks, organizations can proactively intervene when warning signs first appear. One of the most important parts of CORAXL is transparency. So every governance decision can be explained. Let me just enter the SQL layer. So in this layer, we expose the actual Coral SQL logic powering the platform. Let me just show you the first query over here. This is it. The first query evaluates outcome accuracy by correlating agent actions with downstream results. So the second one, this query identifies performance drift over time and highlights agents whose effective is declining. And here is the ROI calculator. So this query, you see, it focuses on business value by measuring operational impact and ROI by each agent. See, this means every recommendation shown on the dashboard can be traced back to explainable logic instead of just a black box decision. And we can see the console. Before that, as soon as we run this dashboard, this run live audit, we can able to see the real metrics, what has been happening in the console. So to verify the platform, we can also inspect the backend output directly. Let me just check the API health of this. Now, in order to check whether it's live or working or not, let's just refresh it. See, as soon as I get refresh, every time the agents have been changing over here, right? Here, the governance engine executes the Coral query pipeline and it produces a structured risk assessment, health metrics, and recommendations that are surfaced back to the dashboard like that. So, CORAXL is highly scalable because every new enterprise system becomes another character rather than another custom integration. It is immediately deployable because it works on top of existing enterprise workflows and telemetry. Looking ahead, our vision is to evolve CORAXL from an observability platform into a full AI governance OS capable of predicting agent failures, quantifying business impact, and preventing costly incidents before they even happen. Today, CORAXL tells organizations what their agents have been doing, right? Tomorrow, it will help them understand what those agents are likely to do next and whether they should trust them or not. That's all for now. Signing off, Team Podessa.